Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a custom component to your toolbox. In my graphic area, I've got a box nail. Now, before we add this part to my toolbox, we're going to create a few configurations of the nail. Let's begin with a right-click on the Annotations folder in the specification tree to the left. And let's select Show Feature Dimensions. We're interested in a few specific dimensions: total length, the head diameter, and the nominal diameter. Let's click OK and hide the annotations. Right-click, unselect Show Feature Dimensions. Now let's go to Insert, scroll down to Reference Geometry, and select Mate Reference. I'm going to use this cylindrical face and this face for the second reference. Let's click OK. Let's go to Insert, Table, Design Table. Let's click Accept. First dimension I'll select is the nominal diameter, the length, and the head diameter. Click OK. Let's start by typing in a configuration name. I'll name it appropriately, descriptively, as box nail 1.8 by 20 by 5. Let's click outside the field to register, and let's reselect this box, grab at the bottom right corner and drag down to paste. If the font looks a little too small, just select everything and change the font size. Let's make it 12, for example. In order to save some time, I'm going to pause the video whilst I populate this spreadsheet. Okay, here we go with my completely populated table. Let me click outside the table. And SolidWorks has generated 7 new configurations. Let's click OK. Let me delete the default configuration. We don't need that anymore, yes? Let's see how they work. You may notice that my configurations are not in order of size, so let me right-click on Design Table and select Edit Table. Updating Design Table. Let's click Cancel here. I don't need to add any new rows and columns. Let's rename these configurations 2.0. 2.0 again. 2.0 here also. Click outside to register, and click OK. SolidWorks asks if I want to delete some configurations. Let's click OK. We need to delete one more configuration as well. It wasn't deleted previously because it was the active configuration. Yes to confirm. Now everything looks good. Let's save the part. Now back to ToolBox, Configure, Customize your hardware. And here's our folder. Let's create a new folder. Right-click, New Folder. We'll call it Nails, and press Enter to accept the name. Now let's right-click on our folder and select Add File. I'll navigate to where I saved my nails. Click the nail part document, click Open, and here is our nail. Let's click Save and close the part. Now I'm going to create a new assembly. New, Assembly Document, OK. And let's expand the library, the toolbox, my folder, nails. Here's my nail. Let's drag and drop it in the graphic area. So here's my part and all of its configurations. We can add this to the favorites if needed. Let's click OK. Let's click Add again. OK. And Accept. This concludes our video about adding a custom component to the SolidWorks toolbox.